All right, this lesson says it's on quadratic word problems, but it's also sort of a wrap up of everything we've done. So we're going to be looking at all three forms here. We've got vertex form, standard form, intercept form. Just a little refresher. So I'm basically going to go through these examples with you. All right. First thing I always do is I try to find the vertex. Okay, because that's always, we sometimes call that the locator. So the vertex here, we're at -4, 1, right? We have -4, 1. My axis of symmetry always goes right through the x value. So let's go ahead and plot that, -4, 1. Okay, now to find the other points, I have to use my a value. My a value is -2. Okay, so my a value is -2, which means I'm opening down. And for the purposes of this, I want to find 5 points. So normally I would go up 1 and then up 3. But because my a value is -2, I'm going to stretch this graph. So we're going to go 2 and then 6. So as I move over 1, I'm going to go down 2. Move over 1, down 2. Then as I move over 1 more, instead of going down 3, I'm going to go down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we go ahead and connect the dots. Okay, so that blue line is my graph. All right, what does it mean by table? What I mean is I want you to list those points. So I like to put the vertex in the middle, -4, 1. And then as I move over to the right, I'm at -3, -1. And then as I'm at -2, I'm at -7. I'm talking about these points here. This point here is -3, -1. This point here is -2, -7. And if I go the other way, so I have -5, I'm at -1. And then if I'm at -6, I'm at -7. So we have our vertex here, and those other points are just symmetric to that vertex, right? It's the same exact numbers, but we're moving 1, 1, 1, 1, and then the y values are changing at the same rate to the left and to the right. Okay, now let's take a look at standard form. Now remember, the x value is going to be -b/2a. Right? The x is going to be -b/2a. So what is that going to be? -6/2 times 1. So my x value is -3. Okay, let me go ahead and erase that. So my x value is -3. And then I'm going to plug that into the original equation. I'm running out of room a little bit, so I'm going to go -3 squared plus 6 times -3 plus 6. So I get 9 minus 18 plus 6. So I get a +3. Okay. Oh, actually, no, that's going to be a -3, right? 9 minus 18 is -9 plus 6, -3. So we have -3, -3 is going to be my vertex. My a value is 1. So this one's easy. So my a value is 1, so we're opening up. So we're going to go over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1 more, and we go up 3. And we connect our dots. Okay. And we now list those in our table. -3, -3. So we're going to go to -2, -1, -4, -5, and list those values. All right, now we have intercept form. Let's take a look here. Okay, so my intercepts are going to be at -3 and -1. Those are going to be my intercepts. So I'm going to go ahead and plot those, -3 and -1. Okay, now my axis of symmetry is going to be right in between. So it's going to be here. X equals -2. Okay, so my vertex is going to be at -2 something. So I need to take that -2 and plug it into the original equation. So we have -2 plus 3, -2 plus 1. So that's going to be 1 times -1, right? 1 times -1, which is -1. Okay, my A value is just 1. So it's going to open up. So let's see. My vertex says it's at -2, -1. So let's go -2. Hey, look at that. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and plot that graph. We're going to come up with our table. And I think I can come up with a couple other points. So as I move over 1, I'm going up 1. And then as I move over 1, I'm going up 3. Oh, my graph was not very good. So, ooh, gotta fix that. Okay. So I've got a vertex at -2, -1. I've got -1 and 0 and -3, -4. So -1, 0 and 0, 3. So these are going to be 0, 3 as well. Okay. And there's your wrap up of all the different ways we've learned how to graph: vertex form, standard form, intercept form. And we have some word problems that we'll do in a separate video.